Oh, isn't that pretty? My mom's little front porch area before the front door. And I just planted, I didn't just plant that, I just planted some stuff over here. It takes full sun. This stuff was here and I had it. I replanted all that before. And I made a video of that a long time ago. And if you want to watch it, look through my videos and try to find it. I put some drip irrigation in here, put some bubblers, and these had died over there and over here, and there was one piece missing there. So I went to the store and I got some that pretty much matched that. Planted those. Boop boop boop. That didn't take me very long to do that. Do something like that for your mother. And she had something over here. My brother, last Mother's Day, a year ago, oh, that looked nice before. And I put this Shepard's hook in for it, and it was really hard to do because it was hard panned down in there, so I don't really want to move it. And my brother, he had some other plants, and they need to be watered all the time. And I thought, you know, my mother was talking to me, and we thought I'd go to the store, and I was like, don't throw this pot away. It's a nice looking pot. Maybe I can put some potting soil in there and plant some other things in there. Well, she wanted some pink and white, something like this or something. Went to the store, found this here. And you know what? $18. $18, and I thought, you know, let's go ahead and do that. It takes full sun. She likes pink and white. And I could have got her some real small ones of those at the store and planted them, but this is all done, and I thought I could take this pot and cut off the little plastic goodie, save the actual pot or something. That's what this one used to have. And I thought, okay, how can we do this to keep it so Mother does not have to come out here and water this particular one? Well, drip irrigation. And I tied in a drip irrigation over there and had it come over into this hibiscus plant, and I didn't do anything for this one over here. She comes out here, she likes to kind of dither around and plant, you know, water, this kind of stuff. Got a hummingbird feeder here, she's got to replace that every once in a while. So she comes out here, see there's a silly ivy thing over here. She keeps that going and watered. The other day a dove came here and was sitting here, and its mate was sitting up here. We thought, nothing doing, we don't want them to build a nest over here. I mean, they could, and it would be kind of interesting for Mother, so if that happens, fine. The neighborhood cat's not around anymore. A coyote got it, I think. And how can we do this over here? I was thinking about the drip irrigation. I've got some drip material here and some inline bubblers. See, that's an inline bubbler, and so are these right here. Somebody took those out. I don't know what happened with that and saved it. And then there's bubblers that just go on the end, not an inline. And I've got some other things that I thought maybe I could put this on a bubbler, but then I'd have to put it up the side of this and somehow have it come down. How am I going to attach that? Well, I got some zip ties, some black zip ties, and I was looking around. Here's the pipe. Here's the end of the line. And it goes down right there, and I think I can dig that back and maybe poke a new line in that, run it around over that way, put the zip line, the zip tie on the back side. That way I don't see it. You know, it can be on the back of that and come around, and then from here go down. So that's my project. If you want to stick around and see how I'm going to do that, stick around and watch. digging around. I needed to find that thing there. That's the thing that pokes little holes. And I couldn't find it, and I finally found it last place I looked. If I didn't have that, I guess I could have done it a slightly different way. You know, with a scratch-all or something. Don't really have much room here, do I? I think that'll be okay if I just poke it right there. Because it's behind the rock, nobody's going to step on it. And I'll have to find a coupling. Let's just see here. See, 1/4-inch barbed connector. It's just like that. It's just a, it's called a coupling. Let's just see what it looks like, shall we? That's all it is. And that's going to poke in there. If this was way out somewhere where somebody was going to be walking, I would want to dig it down further. Because see, this sticks straight up. Somebody stepped on it, they could bend it down. But that's really not going to be the case here, is it? And I'll have to take the pipe and kind of route it around there and underneath the bark and up this shepherd's hook. So before I poke that in, I'll get a long piece of pipe, and I had one piece here that somebody took off, and I'm wondering, I don't know if that's going to be long enough. It goes around like that, up. See, it's going to be just a hair short. This thing here goes around. Okay. You see, I could dangle it from there, but I don't know how well that's going to look. Let's just see. Let's see if this gets hooked here. And those will stay nice like that throughout the summer, supposedly. Run that down through there, up and across. You know what, that could work. Because see, I was thinking about putting that all the way up to the top, and I don't have to. I could just take it and poke it down right in there, like that. You know? So the curve is actually right in there. And if I do, oh, I got plenty. I got plenty to do that. Beautiful. Okay. And I may have to take this off because it might be too long, but for the time being, I'm just going to leave it. The end looks nice and straight. I'm just going to twist that on there like that. Okay? Simple, Simon. Now, to poke the hole down in here. I don't know why my nose gets runny when I'm working down below, when I nail down and stuff. Okay. I gotta push that in right there. Okay. I think I got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When you do it with brand new ones, nowadays they don't even have the metal, they got a little plastic thing here. A new pipe, you would hear it go doink this one is not doing that. Now I gotta push that in. Ooh. There. Hear it click in. That's all I gotta do with that. Now to route it through the woods. I'm gonna put my gloves back on. And see, it's coming straight up, so I have to kind of let it bend a little bit. Let's see here, how we do this here. That's right along where the other bubbler is. Do that. Like so. Now I gotta get my zip ties out. And I just bought a 20 count at the store. This is going to work. I want the zip tie end on the inside here somehow. I'm going to see, pull it tight that way and leave that right in there. That'll work. You figure out how you're going to do it. Right. There. Now I can make that tighter if I need to. I don't know how many of these I'm going to put on. Probably about like that, huh? See, I'm not gonna get it too much tighter than that because I want to. I might have to slide them around to get the proper look I want.